Start with a power walk to wake up your body. Lift your chest, let your arms drive you forward, and find a pace that feels strong but easy to hold. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Stay tall, engage your core, and roll through the foot with each step. This is your warm-up. Let it enter activation.
Loose shoulders mean better workouts and way less pain. Arm circles switch on your rotator cuff, boost blood flow, and prep you for whatever comes next. 30 seconds forward, 30 back. Big, easy motion. Feel them open? That's the point. Start your 1 minute.
Let's wake up those hips. Start with a spinal wave in your lunge. Think ripple, not rigid. Sink into a frog rock gently forward and back. Windshield wipers. Let the knees switch sides. Circle the hips low in that prayer squat. Stand tall, sweep into a figure 4 and glide. Open, rotate, explore your hip.
Neck relax rolls. 2 slow circles and a world of difference. As you roll, muscles lengthen, blood flow improves, and tension melts away. You can do them anywhere, at your desk, on a rooftop, or right on the couch. In just a minute a day, your neck will...
Leg swings. Simple, fast, and powerful. Swing forward and back to wake up hips and hamstrings. Side swings fire up the stabilizers. 60 seconds each leg and your blood is moving, joints are ready, and muscles are warm. Warm legs reduce injury risk so you can run strong.
Light jump rope. Plug in. Flick on. Feel your heart climb fast. In 3 skips, you're already fired up. For intervals, cardio bursts, or just a morning spark, it feels like air, but hits like a sprint. Light jump rope. Boost heart rate.
Leg press for a smooth, strong, slim tone. Set your feet shoulder width, heels hanging slightly off the platform. Now drive through those heels. Feel your quads fire. Control the push and take the same control on the way back. Every rep counts. 10 reps, 10 clean squeezes. That's how we sculpt.
Walking lunges. Step, sink, drive through the heel. Each stride works quads, glutes, and core, sculpting long, lean legs with power you can feel. Keep your chest tall, abs tight, and move with control. 15 reps per leg, smooth and steady. Own every...
Squats on the Smith machine let you lock in your stance and focus on what matters. Glutes. Hips back, chest tall. Knees track over toes. Squeeze at the top. Feel that lift? That's strength being built rep by rep. Strong, lifted glutes, made right here.
Hinge forward, core tight. Strap is set, cable ready. Drive your heel back and up, squeeze the glute at the top. Control it down. Feel that lift? That's your glutes firing. Keep your torso still, ribs tucked. 12 strong reps each side, 3 sets. Your glutes are...
Think low, knees out, feel the pull through your inner thighs. Now drive up through your heels, squeeze those hips, chest proud, spine tall. Ready? We're going for 45 seconds. Drop, fired up, inner thighs, hips, glutes, everything's working. Stay with me. 1.
One simple move. One bench. Endless places to get stronger. Step-ups fire your legs, hone your balance, and power every stride you take on trails, in the city, anywhere you find a ledge. Drive up, control down, feel the whole chain working.
Want more defined calves? Step up. Standing calf raises fire the muscles that shape your lower legs and power your stride. They also get blood moving. Hello, better circulation. The best part? You can do them anywhere. On a trail, on a deck, even at your desk.
Push the hips back, keep the spine long. Hamstring stretch, glutes loaded. Bar tracks close, shin to mid-thigh. Stand tall, squeeze at the top. That's a Romanian deadlift. Strong hamstrings, strong posture.
Step long, drop low. Keep the chest proud. Your front thigh hits parallel. That's where the magic starts. Load through the heel, light through the toes. Knees track over the middle of the foot. Glutes switch on hard. Drive up, control down. This isn't just balance. It's symmetry, strength, and serious shape work.
Drive through your heels, lift the bar, and lock it in. Think hips level, ribs down. Then squeeze hard. This is your isometric hip thrust hold. Breathe into the hold. Keep glutes firing, core braced. 10, 9, let that burn build. Maximum glute activation happens right here.
Wide grip, lat pull down. Pull, squeeze, grow. Elbows wide, chest tall, lats driving the motion. Feel the stretch at the top. Then power it down and lock your shoulder blades. 3 sets, 10 to 12 quality reps. Build a strong, sculpted back. Hit.
The seated cable row isn't just for a stronger back. It's for better posture, a better you. Plant your feet, set your spine, pull with control. Feel the lats fire, shoulder blades squeeze, core stay steady. Every rep builds strength where it matters most, keeping you...
Sit tall, shoulders back. Push straight out, perfect. That's the safe range. Feel that chest working, triceps too. Keep the motion smooth and controlled, letting the machine guide you. Breathe, don't lock the elbows. Good, one more, and relax.
Strong shoulders. Confident look. Your move.
Side lateral raises, one of the simplest moves for shaping beautiful shoulders. Start with a slight bend in the elbows, palms facing in. Lift only to shoulder height, then control the way down. Slow and steady. Feel the delts light up. With every rep, you're carving strength, symmetry.
Say goodbye to arm fat with the tricep rope push down. Keep your elbows tucked, palms neutral, and press the rope all the way to the floor. Squeeze at the bottom. Feel that burn? That's your triceps waking up and the jiggle packing its bags. Controlled up, powerful down. 15 reps.
This is the classic bicep curl. Simple but powerful. Palms forward, elbows tight. Lift. Squeeze up at the top, control the way down. Every rep connected, deliberate. That's how lean, defined arms are built. One curl at a time. Strong feels amazing.
Face pull. One move that protects your shoulders and builds total upper body balance. Pull the rope toward your eyes, palms facing, elbows higher than your wrists. At the end, separate the handles and squeeze your shoulder blades. Hold for 2 seconds, then release slow and controlled. Every rep keeps.
Want a stronger upper body and core? These modified push-ups will tone everything, no matter your level. Use elevation like a bench or planter to lighten the load. Try a stability ball to fire up your abs. Even a dock beam will do. Keep your body in one solid line, lower with control.
Assisted pull-ups give you the strength of a full pull-up without the strain. Bands, counterweights, or portable setups. There's an option that meets you where you are, from the gym to the park to your living room. Build your back, build your confidence. Assisted pull-ups.
Plank hold. Draw your belly button in. Keep your spine long. This is where your core learns to switch on and stay on. Hips level. Don't sag. Breathe. 1 minute a day. Strong core. Flat stomach.
Hang tall, shoulder blades pulled down. Breathe out and lift the knees toward your chest. Feel the lower abs switch on. No swinging, control the way up and the way down. Keep your torso still, exhale at the top, and squeeze. Each rep, you should feel that deep burn right below the belly button.
Kneel, rope by the temples, hips stay still. Flex from the spine, not the hips. Feel the abs shorten as you draw the ribs toward the pelvis. Hold, breathe into that tension, rise back up under control. That's 1. Every rep, think about carving the curve. Power goes up the cable, but the motion stays small, deliberate. Controlled.
Ready to shape that waistline? Let's Russian twist. Keep the chest tall, core tight. Rotate slow and controlled, touch side to side. Feel those obliques fire. 15 reps, 3 rounds. You've got this. Stronger every twist.
Switch. Hands behind the head, elbows wide. Bring knee to opposite elbow, twist and extend. Keep your core tight, legs long. That's it. Switch. Feel that burn in the belly? Every rep counts. Stay with me. 5 more seconds. Breathe. Last one. Perfect. Core on.
Mountain climbers. They're not just for the mountains, they're for abs, for cardio, for fire. Drive your knees forward, stay light on your toes, core locked in. Feel that heartbeat climb. Every rep, pull from the belly button, exhale sharp. You've got this. 15 seconds of pure power. 2, and hold strong.
Subscribe, Meet the Dead Bug, your safer route to solid core stability. Press the low back down, ribs in, opposites reach away, slow, controlled. Spine stays neutral, core stays on. Breathe with the move. This small motion delivers big benefits, deeper strength, spinal protection.
When you can control the wheel, you can control your core. Roll out, stronger than ever.
When every step fires up your glutes and turns up the burn, you're not just climbing, you're sculpting, you're shredding. Each rise powers the backside and melts what's in the way. Track the heat, feel the lift, watch the numbers climb with you. Because glute strength and fat loss, they work better together.
Meet the elliptical, designed for a smooth ride. Low impact on your joints, high impact on your cardio. Quiet, fluid motion helps you find your rhythm. And with immersive workouts, the outdoors is always a stride away.
Times, every pull. Legs, core, back, arms, everything fires at once. You feel it all and you see it. Calories climbing with every stroke. Power out, burn bright, full body calorie burn, no wasted motion. Your best burn starts here.
Strength isn't just in the lift, it's in the rhythm you refuse to break. Every wave, every breath. Power and endurance working together. 15 seconds to feel it, 15 seconds to own it. One wave at a time.
When you want fat loss that hits like lightning, nothing beats the jump squat. It's simple, it's explosive, and it torches calories in seconds flat. Drop low, launch high, and land soft. Every rep powers your legs, your core, and your metabolism. No machines, no...
Inhale, arms reach high. Feel the length through your sides. Exhale, fold forward. Let the back of the neck soften. Open the chest, interlace behind you, and breathe into the space you create. Slide hands out, hips melt toward heels. Recover.
Great job, ladies. If that workout lit you up, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a session. For more USA Style fitness and gym workouts, this is Bright Body Briefs reminding you, stay fit, stay strong.